Hola! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the phrase
sino que,
in Spanish. First, let's talk about
sino,
in a previous lesson, we saw that
sino,
is used when we want to say but rather, or but instead. And it is used when the first part of our sentence is negative and we want to show the opposite idea in the second part. Here are some example sentences with
sino. No quiero limonada sino agua. No me gusta escuchar, sino hablar. Sino que,
is used when the second part has a conjugated or changed verb after.
sino.
Let's see in these examples where there's a changed verb in the second part of the sentence.
No quiero limonada sino que quiero agua. No me gusta escuchar, sino que me gusta hablar.
To review,
Sino que,
means but rather, or but instead. It is used when the first part of our sentence is negative and we want to show the opposite idea in the second part. And it is used when the phrase after it is a conjugated or changed verb. Thanks for watching. Gracias.